Greetings, brick fans. Here's how to build your own microscale dragons. As much fun as it is to build the large ones, it can also be very satisfying to build small scale. It only takes a few parts and a little bit of imagination. Here's how to build a few of your own. The first dragon, the golden dragon, is going to use a tan droid piece as its core. Here are the sub-assemblies. We start with the base, adding these together. A dragon head sword hilt forms the head, and a droid torso forms the torso. These are the legs, connected like so. And then this piece snaps onto the bottom of the torso. Here's how we form the tail, snapping to the bar at the bottom of the torso, and then placing the entire thing on top of the base. Be sure to use studs with holes in the center so that you can attach the wings to the sides of the torso. And here you go. This wing design allows for some pretty cool posing. For a larger black dragon, we're going to use the same technique for the head, but a few different pieces for the wings. Clip the bionicle finger pieces, and then use a different piece for the tail. For the red dragon, we use the same torso, but a bionicle finger for the head, and smaller pieces for the legs. For the gray dragon, we're going to use a different piece for the head, this sort of curved snake head, and larger pieces for the wings. Similarly, they all attach to the droid body. For the purple dragon, we're going to start with a different part. This modified brick with 2 studs on 3 sides. Similarly, we can attach legs to the sides, and then the wings. To attach the head, we'll need a stud with a hole in the center. Finally, we're going to make a white Draco Lich, which is sort of an undead dragon. So we make the wings look more like bones, attaching it to the same piece we used for the purple dragon. And there you go. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe.